Are you looking to showcase your mobile app, promote newsletter signups, or just create a stunning visual on your Shopify store? A phone screen section is the perfect way to display mobile content in an attractive, realistic phone mockup. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to add a professional phone screen section to your Shopify store. Inspired by Kith, this design can be added to your store in just a couple of minutes with a simple copy and paste into your theme. My name is Nick, and I make videos like this every week showing how to add custom sections to your store. So make sure to like this video and subscribe if you find it helpful. Without further ado, let's get started. Now to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is come to my Shopify admin, and I'm going to come into the themes. I'm going to duplicate the production theme so that we don't make any changes that we don't want to by mistake. And then I'm going to go in, and I renamed this. You can name it whatever you'd like, and just click this three-dot menu, and we're going to go into the edit code section. Okay, and now that we've gone into the code editor, you can see that we have all of our directories listed right here. So this should be simple enough. I'm going to simply click on sections right here. You can either click here or just give a right click, and I'm going to say new file. I'm going to call this dualphone.liquid. All right, and after this new section is created for us, I'm going to go ahead and copy some of the code, starting with the styles, talk about it just briefly. I've copied the styles first. I will paste that in at the top of the file, so you'll see that we have our opening tag. And then I'm not going to talk about this too much, but suffice it to say that this is kind of the dressing of all of our look and feel of this section. If you want to, you can get more granular. And I always recommend when people in the comments like to say that they have different needs or different requirements, etc., feel free to copy and paste this code into LLM or AI assistant and ask it to do what you would like. And oftentimes it does a pretty good job. So now that I have my styles in place, and again, I'm just going to highlight real quick that we have some mobile responsiveness in this, so it should look good on mobile as well. I'm going to go ahead and copy the liquid and HTML. So I've gone ahead and pasted that, and there's not too much to talk about actually. Pretty small amount of code, more or less. You'll see that really what we're doing is we're checking if the settings that we're going to create in the schema exist, and if they do, then we're going to show these things, including the title, the logo text, and then phone one title, phone one description. So this will make more sense in a moment, but you'll see these are all the editable things that we're going to have. So to do that, we need to make sure that we add the schema as well. Now that I've pasted that in here, you're going to see we have our schema already. So this is called the Kith app showcase. You can change the name. It's called Kith because this was inspired by a section from their store, which is very sharp. But you can see, if you're curious, these are all the different customizable options that we have here, along with the default values and then our presets. So this is what the name's going to look like in our theme editor. So now that we have all this code, there's no JavaScript in this file, which we don't need. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to simply click here and customize our theme so that we can add this. I'm going to come here and I'll leave this on the home page, but you can add it to any template you'd like. If I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see we have this new file right here. And then we have the default. So let's go ahead and add some images here. Of course, you'd probably want to put your own company name here, or you can just remove it altogether. You can change this obviously to whatever. So you may not have a mobile app, but this is really good for callouts like signing up for the newsletter or something like that to try to draw engagement. Cool, cool. So I think this looks pretty good on the first image. I think there's just too much text though. So I'm going to remove it and I'll just say maybe something like this. I'm going to leave that empty. And then for the link, this would probably go to like a sign up page for your newsletter or whatever, but I don't have one of those. So that's what I'd recommend because this button does work. And then for the second image, I think the key for these images, portrait styled vertical images are going to look better. For obvious reasons. So, okay, this looks pretty good. I'm going to say change this again to, all right, so this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and now I'm going to preview. And if I scroll down, you can see that our new section exists right here. It looks pretty good. So this looks all right. I'm going to check it out on mobile now and make sure that it still looks okay. You can see that it does. It does a pretty good job. So this is a pretty simple section, but I hope that you may find it useful. I know at times I've kind of looked for having this type of device with the background. It's a really sleek app style design that looks pretty good. So I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm going to go back to the code really quickly and just highlight a couple things. Like if you only wanted one of those phones to show up, it'd be pretty easy. All you have to do is just remove the second the code for this second phone. Okay, so that's going to be right here, and that's all you have to do. I also would say, again, check out these styles for more if you're looking for more customization. But if you don't know CSS, that's fine. Just try to use an AI tool to the best of your abilities, and you'll probably be able to make this customized to what you're looking for. I hope this has been helpful. If so, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.